Getting help with Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to get help understanding and using Drupal. Click the Administer link. Then click Help. This is the Drupal Help Guide that provides context-sensitive help on the use and configuration of Drupal and its modules. Simply click any of the help topics listed here to learn more about them. You can get further and more extensive help by going to the Drupal Handbook, a link to which is located here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to get help using Drupal from within your Drupal installation or from the Drupal Handbook.